हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। आप लोगों को वेलकम करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम हमदान ऑनलाइन है। आप लोगों के लिए ऐसी वेबसाइट लाया हूं जिससे आप लोग टोकन बाय करते हैं और अच्छा खासा प्रॉफिट हासिल होगा। तो चलते हैं दोस्तों अपने वीडियो की तरफ। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, आप लोग मेरे चैनल पर न्यू है, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, साथ में दिए गए बेल के आइकॉन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि फ्यूचर में जो वीडियो है इसका नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिले। चलते हैं आज की वीडियो की तरफ। आज की हमारी वेबसाइट का नाम है वेडपे। Wedpay join the revolutions. Wedpay holders are dreamers who people who believes in the change part of a revolutions. आप इसको बाय स्वैप कर सकते हैं, चैट इसका दिया हुआ है, इंस्टाग्राम ट्विटर पे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। What's Wedpay? Support the regulations of cannabis globally. Support the CBD properties of medical and healthy purpose. Helping people in supporting and financing CBD therapists change the view of the media and government regarding the use of cannabis. Support and financing of agriculture projects on harm. Incoming partnership with CAD International and international community organization based in Italy. Medical and healthy purpose. Wedpay supports the research. 5 million of people all over the world are affected by Pakistani's disease and more than 2 millions are supporting for multiple series. Medical cannabis is very effective in order to contract the serve symptoms of those medical conditions and give relief to those patients. Unfortunately, very few doctors are willing to prescribe cannabis therapy to them, partly due to poor medical research. Utility tokens. We dream that every social club in Spain, every coffee shop in Amsterdam, every shop in California, and every medical chemist therapy in the world gets paid Wedpay. This is highly possible thanks to Pro Regulations Association shops manager who support us. Tokenism ये दिया हुआ है 3%, 7%, 5%, 1%, buyback and no tax, non-wallet to wallet transactions. ये आपको रोड मैप दिया हुआ है, इसका आपको मोनोग्राम नज़र आ रहा होगा। Q42021 listening on the most important exchange in the purchase in cannabis shops partner around the world. Marketing cap है expectations 30000 by December 5th. Wedpay app, the digital revolution of hemp and cannabis. In the Wedpay app, you will be involved in the world shaped like cannabis. In our economics, you buy all the product of legal cannabis supply chain from the comfort of your home and with a simple click. All product on sale Wedpay stores and partner companies are also in the app. This app is in the testing phase alpha and its beta will be released soon. How to buy पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, ये आपको इसका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दिया हुआ है। क्रिएट अ ट्रस्ट वॉलेट. पे टोकन इज ऑन अवेलेबल ऑन द बाइनेंस स्मार्ट चेन ब्लॉकचेन. ट्रस्ट वॉलेट इज इन द मार्केट लीडर इन BEP220 वॉलेट्स. सेंड BNP टू योर ट्रस्ट वॉलेट एड्रेस. Buy BNP through trust wallet on transfer it to trust wallet address from another wallet can be on Binance. Swap pay on Pancake. Go to Pancake Swap, contact your wallet and enter the amount of BNB you would like to swap for pay. Remember to set 60% slippage. Create a MetaMask wallet. Pay token is available on the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. Read this guide to configure MetaMask to swap BEP20 tokens. Send BNP to your MetaMask wallet address. Transfer BNP to your MetaMask wallet address from another wallet. Binance. Swap pay on Pancake. Meet the team. Wedpay CEO, graduate in economics. I am a financial advisor and I have been investing in cryptocurrency since 2017 from 2021. I began to be part West Tokens commercial development teams on the BSE network until the creation of Wedpay. आप इसको ट्विटर पर और इंस्टाग्राम पर भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। उम्मीद है दोस्तों आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद